Chapter 1: Automatic Packaging. Mychef iSENSOR is a 100% automatic vacuum packaging machine that lets you pack your products, both solids and liquids, without having to press a single button. Just lower the lid and that's it. Thanks to its patented technologies, it intelligently adjusts all the necessary parameters for each type of packaging. iVac is the smart sensor that detects the type of product, even if it's liquid or porous food, and adjusts to the optimal vacuum without needing supervision. This technology is complemented by iSeal, the smart sealing system that automatically regulates the sealing temperature based on the bag used. This allows us to work with bags of different materials and also pack several bags at once, even mixing a solid one with a liquid one. Now we're going to put some examples of automatic packaging into practice. 1. Packing solids and liquids at the same time. Two. Vacuum in preserving jars. Three. External packaging. As you've seen, this function covers practically all needs. But iSENSOR also has a manual mode that lets you customize each parameter to your liking. I'll explain how in the next chapter.